All right, y'all, so Crazy Pop, cooking with the Crazy Pop is getting the Blackstone set up for us. We are out here at our hotel underneath the pavilion. We got Smoky Mountain Hiker here. We got Eric. We got the crazy kids. Tyler went somewhere.
Crazy Pop.
And the Crazy Pop, he's fixing to cook for us. Y'all, look at all these groceries. See, we usually do restaurant reviews, but I mean,
we're doing Walmart grocery.
We're doing Walmart grocery reviews. I mean, check out. We got some taco sauce. He's fixing taco burgers. We got burgers. He's got bacon, buns.
Junior.
Never mind the platinum. That's not Crazy Pop. We got all kinds of potato chips and snacks. And we are ready to start cooking. Hey y'all, it's Dawn and Tyler is somewhere. We're just out and about. I think he was actually helping
He's out and about somewhere.
I think he was actually helping somebody with a sprinkler over here that the sprinkler turned on their grill and he got wet. So we are here at the Econo Lodge in Pigeon Forge, Riverside.
Yep.
I brought up the suggestion, which was really kind of just
The sprinkler got me.
Did it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we gotta turn it! We gotta turn it! We got sprinkler issues! We got Oh my
Tyler!
God. Where is he? Oh, hold on y'all.
Especially like I wait a minute.
Alright. We're kinda back. And I'm kinda wet. The sprinklers keep turning on underneath the shelter here. Or well, they're outside the shelter, but
I think they fixed it.
anyway, I brought up the suggestion this past week since we were going to all be in Pigeon Forge. It was really just a joke, but I told Crazy Papa, I said, hey, bring the Blackstone. And he surprised us, and he did.
It's here.
So,
Wet, but here.
so I'm going to show a little bit of Crazy Pop cooking some smash burgers, and I'll be sure to link his video down below in his channel, showing the real deal because he's got his setup going on back here. But anyway, while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Now we got the griddle heating up. Let's show you what we're going to cook. Of course, we got some ground chuck here. We got several packs of it now. We're out here at a picnic shelter, so this is what we got. We got some cheese, we got some tomatoes, some lettuce, of course ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard. But now like for the taco ones, we got some taco sauce and some taco seasoning. Got some pickles back there. Got some salt and pepper that we're gonna season some of the burgers up with. Got some bacon up under the patties here. Bread. And of course we got some bread. I don't think I left anything out. If I did, I'll let you know later. But I think for the most part, this is gonna make our smash burgers pretty dang good.
Okay, y'all, so look. Crazy Pop has got the bacon on the Blackstone. It's a sizzling away. And we have made the burger balls over here that he's going to use for these smash burgers. Look at all what he got. So we're feasting tonight. Alright, so Crazy Pop's got the whole bacon. He said this was the saddest bacon he's ever seen.
That's some pitiful bacon.
He said it's pitiful. Pitiful bacon. But, got the bacon ready. He's got some sauteing some onions over here.
And the bacon grease.
In the bacon grease. And he is about ready, I believe, to put these smash burgers on.
I am.
Because they're sitting here, ready and waiting. Alright, just real quick while Crazy Pop was up there getting some of the burgers on the grill. I wanted to walk down here by the fire. It is raining just a little bit though, or we'd come sit out here a little bit. And you can't really see it, but we're right here by the river.
I got an ugly one. So Tyler's gonna put his pocket bacon on that one.
What happened to that one?
The meat kind of come off of it.
That must be.
It happens. It happens.
Don't even blame that on me.
Now we're gonna season this with just some salt and pepper. So we just gonna hit it with some pepper.
Yeah, it's really coming down now.
Oh yeah, it's got a lot of rain coming down now, but that's all right. We under a roof.
That's right.
After we fought off the sprinklers, we're good to go now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit some salt. Now what I'm looking for is you want the sides of it to kind of brown up and you want the juice to start come up in the middle, then you know it's time to flip. Cover them up like that. I'm recording over there.
Check those burgers out.
That's out.
We're getting there.
Take these up. The kids are gonna do some eating. We'll check them out here in a minute. We gotta make some taco smash burgers now. You ever had a taco smash burger?
Huh?
You ever had a taco smash
Nope,
burger?
I sure hadn't.
We'll have a taco smash burger.
Now what are you supposed to be doing?
He's pretending he's Bud.
Are you pretending to be,
Wait a minute.
are you a Crazy Pop wannabe? I think it's a Crazy Pop wannabe.
I'm moving around the sauce here.
So, Smoky Mountain Hiker, how was the burger?
Good.
He's working on his second one.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Tyler's in.
Oh, we come back over here because Tyler's in training.
Fast time. Oh, look at that zero on there. Oh yeah. There you go. Straight. There you go. Hey, I'm gonna go over here, y'all. Tyler, let me know when it's done, buddy.
He don't do this flip thing as well as you do.
I don't know. He's got it down pat.
I smell tacos.
Okay, you want cheese on these, Tyler?
Yeah.
Okay, these are the taco burgers, right?
A little more seasoning on there.
What more seasoning, man? There's some other, Tyler. There's pickles, 2 people. I'm not a pickle eater, but
There's lettuce.
Tyler's got it going on, y'all. He's got it. Look, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. He has loaded it
You got a
down.
pack of taco seasoning there?
Seasoning time.
You only gonna do 3 of them?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
I'm out, but I mean, everybody. I'll probably do 2 or 3.
Put some
I'll tell you what,
cheese.
let's go ahead and throw some cheese on these then. Cover the seasoning up. The man knows how he likes his burger. That's all I can say.
All right, y'all, so Crazy Pop got the burgers done and we dug in. I think we didn't even, I don't even think I videoed the, what I ate. I'm gonna be honest, my burger, I took a picture, the first one. So, I'll go ahead and say on this one, I'm trying the taco burger, which I just put some tomato on it. The other one I had bacon, tomato, ketchup, mustard. So, we've had the whole, I see him over there. He's took lessons from a pro. Look at him. He's toasting his bun. But we're gonna try the taco burger. But I can say that the burgers were absolutely delicious. All right, y'all. So we are done out here.
And full.
And we are stuffed. It's late, but it's okay. We have had a blast.
Yep.
Watching,
a late start.
watching the pro Crazy Pop.
I had a blast learning extra stuff I didn't know about.
Look, I don't even think I put it in your my video. I think you put it in yours.
Yeah.
We found out that William here can do some dancing and karaoke and just all sorts of stuff. So great friends tonight, having a good time, making memories, because I think if we've learned anything, then hey, making memories is all, you know,
and I hate to butt in, but we know we've done, vlogs and restaurant reviews together. But I had a lot more fun tonight with this.
This was fun. Yeah.
This was a lot of fun.
So we're glad William came out here with us.
Yeah.
Like I said, we've had this whole pavilion out here. We did have some other people that were sitting back there that we kind of invaded there. They were here first. They were having a little cookout, and I think they probably expected a quiet evening, and it turned out not so quiet.
It wasn't so quiet.
They were friendly. Yeah. So they were supposed to follow us on YouTube. So nice to meet you guys.
Hey.
But anyway, the burgers were delicious. Everything was great. Thank you, Crazy Pop, for cooking for us.
Glad you enjoyed it.
And hope you guys really enjoyed this because it was something different. So for us anyway.
And let us know if you'd like to see more stuff like this.
Yes, because I think we're planning on doing this again when we're back.
Yep.
So anyway,
maybe a suggestion of what you want to see us eat.
That's right. That's right.
Yep.
But thanks everybody, and we will see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.